Hey guys, it's been a minute since I posted a video, but I've been pretty busy. You know, summer life and back to school and all that stuff. So I just want to get on and show you guys my submissions for next weekend's Shutterbug Model Contest. So this is what I'm going to be entering in for the contest. We'll start with the Elf Formula One car. And then I've got my Skyline Top Gun edition. Soviet MiG action going on here. The Iron Eagle MiG, Iron Eagle F-16, my Soviet fire truck. There's my Top Gun inverted model. I've got my little bulldozer. And here's a new one for the edition here. This is my Sky Raider. I'll tell you what, let me get this one and I'll bring it in a little bit closer for you guys. This is the one I just worked on. And it's the Operation Santa Flush one, so it's got the toilet and everything. It's off the USS Midway. It's a Paper Tiger 2. Just finished this one last week, I believe, yeah. So, we'll be entering this one in. And then in the back here, we can get up and go around. Kind of show you here. This is my unrep diorama. The USS Nassau, USS Sacramento, and then the USS Antietam. Alright. And then last but not least, I just finished this one up yesterday. This is my Dodge Daytona here. Get the hood off, if I can get it off here. There's the engine. Got some touch up to do on this one still, but this one turned out really good. I don't know if you can see really good in there, but yeah, there's the dashboard and everything. Yeah, this one turned out really cool. It was a fun one to build. But yeah, that'll be my entries for the model show, so hopefully I'll bring home at least one award for them. But I think the next video I'm going to be posting, video series, I've got a GTO Super Stocker model. I think it's an MPC, I believe. Not 100%, but I'm going to try to get an unboxing video up shortly after this one. Maybe this week yet. And then we'll have a video of the model show coming up this Saturday. I'll go through and take some pictures and some video of that. So yeah, sorry it's been a minute posting, guys, but I'm going to try to get back in the swing of things and get some stuff, some more video series posted here. But hey, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.